class 9th. In this video, I am going to start the chapter 16, mensuration. In the previous classes, you have learnt about the perimeter and area of closed plane figures such as triangles, squares, rectangles, parallelograms, trapeziums and circles. The area between two rectangles, that is area of pathways or borders, and area between two concentric circles. You have also learnt the concept of surface area and volume of cube and cuboid, measurements of surface area and volume of such solids by using basic units. In this chapter, we shall review and strengthen all these: perimeter and area of plane figures. Now, the first one is perimeter and area. First of all, you should know what is perimeter. The perimeter of a closed plane figure is the length of its boundary, that is the sum of lengths of a side. Suppose a triangle is there, so perimeter of triangle is the sum of all the lengths of the side. Three sides are there, so total of the length of three sides is the perimeter of the triangle. Now, the unit of measurement of perimeter is the unit of length. Suppose the length of the sides are given in centimeter, the unit of the perimeter will also be in centimeter, and if the lengths are given in meter, then the unit of perimeter will be meter. The area. What is the area? The area of a closed plane figure is the measurement of the region enclosed by the boundary or by the side. Right, children? Now we'll talk about the perimeter of and area of triangle. So there are different kinds of triangles. We'll talk about the simple triangle first. Suppose this is the triangle. This is the height of the triangle. So here area of triangle, suppose we can name it A, B and C. Area of triangle ABC is equals to half into base into height. Suppose this point is D. So according to this figure, the area of triangle ABC is 1 by 2 the length of BC multiplied by the height of AB. This is the formula of area of triangle ABC. Now the next is, if we have to find out the perimeter of this figure, then perimeter, as I told you, the perimeter is the sum of all the three sides. So perimeter equals to AB, the length of AB, plus the length of BC, plus the length of C. This is the perimeter of this triangle. And in this figure, if the length of all the three sides are different, suppose this is a small a, the side opposite to the vertex A is taken as small a, the side opposite to the vertex B is taken as small b, this side, and the side opposite to the vertex C is taken as C. So to find out the area of this, suppose we have not given the base and the height, then we have to find out the area by a formula that is called Heron's formula. And what is that Heron's formula? First of all, we'll find out S. And what is S? S is the semi-perimeter. Semi-perimeter means S will be equal to A plus B plus C upon 2. We'll add all the three sides, length of all the three sides, and divide by 2. We'll get S. And according to this, area of triangle ABC is equals to under root S multiplied by S minus A multiplied by S minus B multiplied by S minus C. This is the formula and this is also known as Heron's formula. Right, children? When the length of three sides are given and you have to find out the area, then you will use this formula. First of all, you have to find out the value of S, that is semi-perimeter. Adding all the three sides and dividing by 2, you will get S, and then you will put the values in this formula and get the value of area. So one formula of triangle is half into base into height. The other formula is Area of triangle is equals to under root s minus a, s minus b, s minus c. Now we have some more kind of triangles like the isosceles triangle. So isosceles triangle, everybody knows what is it? It is a triangle. Isosceles triangles are a triangle in which two sides are equal. Suppose this is the triangle in which AB is equals to AC. These two sides are equal. These are equal side and this is the base. Base will be taken as small b and the other two side will be taken as small a. So if we put a perpendicular line over here in isosceles triangle, if we draw a perpendicular line from the opposite vertex of the base, it divides the base into two equal parts. So this, suppose this is D point and the length of this whole line is B, then this portion will be B upon 2, half of B. And to find out the height, AD square will be equal to AB square minus BD square. So AD square, AB is A square, BD is B upon 2. This will become whole square. So A square minus B square upon 4, or we can write it, if we are taking 4 as the LCM, then 4A square minus B square. And if we want to find out the value of AD, this will be equal to under root 4A square minus B square upon 2. The square root of 4 is 2, so 2 will come over here. So according to this, the area of isosceles triangle ABC is equals to half into base is B and the height is, as we have taken out the height, 4A square minus B square upon 2. So when this 2 and 2 will be multiplied, it will become 1 upon 4 B under root 4A square minus B square. So this is the formula to find out the area of isosceles triangle, where B is the base and A is the equal side. So area of isosceles triangle is 1 by 4, or we can write B upon 4 also. B upon 4 under root 4A square minus B square. Now I'll explain you how to find out the area of equilateral triangle. You know that equilateral triangle has all the three sides equal to each other. These are the three. Suppose all the three sides are A. If we draw this line, if we draw a perpendicular line, that is the height, and this will divide the base into half. So this will be, if this point is D, then BD is equals to A by 2. And first of all, we'll find out the height, that is AD. So by Pythagoras theorem, AD square will be equal to AB square minus BD square. So AB is A, so it will be A square minus BD is A upon 2. So this is square, and this will be equal to A square minus A square upon 4. So if we take the LCM, 4 is the LCM, 4 into A square is 4A square minus A square, which will become 3A square upon 4. And if we find out the value of AD, this will be equal to under root 3, because square root of 4 is 2 and A. This is the length of the height. Now area of equilateral triangle ABC is equals to 1 by 2 base is A and the height is root 3 by 2A. Now if we multiply this 2, root 3 into 1 is root 3 only, and 2 2s are 4, A into A is A square. So it means if we want to find out the area of equilateral triangle, then the formula you will use is root 3 by 4 side square, because all three sides are equal. So you can put the value over here to get the answer of area. I think you have understood how to find out the area when all the three sides are different or other measurement. Secondly, how to find out the area of isosceles triangle, and the last one is how to find out the area of equilateral triangle. And if you use this formula in your question of 16.1 exercise, you will easily solve the questions.